Hi everyone, today I'm going to share the recipe of chicken roast of chicken tikka. You can't go wrong with this recipe, it's a must try. I'm marinating about 3 kgs of chicken. I've took ginger garlic paste in a bowl, added this big spoon of yogurt. Now I'm gonna add lemon juice. You can use fresh lemon as well. I'm using this one, and after this I'm going to add distilled vinegar. I'm not gonna use malt vinegar, only the synthetic vinegar, distilled vinegar, white vinegar. So 1 spoon of that as well. Also I'm gonna add oil now, vegetable oil, cooking oil, any oil you can use that. Now I'm gonna add all the spices according to 3 kg. So I'm using this size of the spoon. I've used 3 spoons of salt, 1 spoon for each kg. I've added 1 spoon of chili powder, 1 spoon of chili flakes, half a spoon of black crushed chili, 1 teaspoon of haldi. I'm adding zira as well. I'm gonna add coriander seeds or suka dhania. I've crushed it. I'm gonna put that in as well. That's a tablespoon of tandoori masala. I added that, and now is half a packet of chicken tikka masala or tikka boti masala. You can use either of that. The both taste nice. I'm gonna mix the mixture properly, and it's optional. If you want to add color, you can use red color or deep orange color, however you like it. I'm using deep orange color. I've mixed it properly, and our marinade is ready now. We can use this marinade for chicken tikka or chicken roast, and we can freeze it as well. I've took 3 kgs of chicken. I washed it and drained the water. I'm gonna coat the chicken one by one, and I'm gonna keep storing it in the box so I can put it in the fridge later. I'm coating the chicken properly, making sure it's going all in the cuts as well. I've made the cuts before on the chicken. With these measurements of spices, you can't go wrong. It's neither too spicy nor bland, and we can store it and freeze as well. Marinating our chicken tikka, may put in freezer bags and store in the freezer and for later use. I'm gonna marinate the whole box and put it in the fridge to rest for at least 2 hours. It's up to you. You can marinate it overnight as well, and make sure it's gone all in the cuts. I'm going to leave it in the fridge overnight to marinate it properly. I used it the following day. I'm going to put it in the oven now. I'm gonna preheat my oven first at 200 degrees centigrade for at least 10 to 15 minutes. By the time I'm gonna prepare my tray, I put the foil paper in my roast tray, and I'm gonna put all my chicken in there. If you put the foil paper at the bottom, the roast doesn't stick and your tray remains clean as well. I've covered the top properly with the foil paper again, and I'm poking a knife to let the air come out, and it would cook the chicken properly and doesn't let it go fully dry. So I'm gonna leave it in the oven for at least 1.5 hours. It goes really tender if you put it for this much time. So I've started it again, and I'm gonna leave it in. After 1.5 hours, I'm going to check it carefully. Make sure your hand doesn't get the steam. My chicken is fully done. If you want to put for 5 more minutes to give color without the foil, then you can give color, but for me it's perfect. I'm gonna serve it like this. It's a very easy recipe. Do try and share with me how did you like it. Thank you so much.